Ayan, so for our day 2 here in Hanoi, nag-book kami ng cooking class via Klook. Ayan, so if you were able to watch our previous vlog in Bangkok, na-enjoy namin ni Makoy mag-cooking class. Anyways, we booked this via Klook for around 1,700 pesos. Ipa-flash ko dito yung activity sa Klook. And
Dahil sa Klook yan, don't forget to use our Klook code TOFBANAAGLOOK para makasave pa kayo ng discounts up to 5%.
Ayan. So, nandito kami sa Old Quarter. By the way, yung hotel namin is, ano naman siya? Okay naman yung tulog ko. Decent siya and malamig yung aircon. Tapos lahat ng facilities niya is functioning naman ng maayos. Ayun. So, time check, it's 9:41. Baba na kami in 4 minutes kasi merong free pick-up yung activity. Yan. So, see you there! Yung elevator nila dito, pang 2 tao lang. Ayan o. Hindi ko mapakita yun, pero ito lang. Ayan.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, ito ang weather today. Walang ulan. Huwag batiin. So, ito yung tawag doon, neighborhood ng aming hotel. Mainit. Which is good. Ayun na nga. 29E 36826. Oh.
Hi, Christopher.
Yes.
Okay,
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
can you come inside?
Hi.
Follow me because I
Morning.
will pick up for other people.
Sure.
Making green mango salad. Yes, green mango salad. The second one, we are making fried spring rolls. Yes,
Okay.
fried spring rolls. Yes.
Fried.
The third one, do you know buncha?
Yes.
Buncha. Can you tell me what is that?
Ito na, start na ng ating
Kinembal.
market tour. Mamamalengke na naman tayo ng weekend. So, ang trip namin ni Makoy is namamalengke kami ng weekend sa isang bansa na pinupuntahan namin. Ayan. So, ang pangalan ng ating instructor for today is Aroma. A-R-O-M-A.
Aroma.
And in fairness, kami lang ang Pilipino dito sa tour.
Ay, taas ang bandera.
Total of 13 kami sa group.
Ay, may ano kang po.
Si Baboy. Parang sa atin lang din, oh.
See?
Parang may epeka sentin dito, eh. Nakasama. Charis.
And you see that in the cooking in here,
Labong.
Oh.
banana flour. This one, they are the banana flour, but they sell already in the market.
Hmm.
And now the white one here, not onion, okay, not onion. Banana stem.
Banana stem.
That's right. And they sell already in the market. Yes, banana stem here. And normally we can now make with salad, or we can put in a hot pot. Yes, banana stem here. We eat all of them. Yes. That's a kind of.
Grabe, dami.
Persimmon ba yun?
Grabe yung grapes.
I know you love this one.
Longgan ba? Parang ang sarap ng bell pepper.
Yes. Do you know what they are? What it is here?
Lemon.
Lemon? This is lemon, no?
No, not lemon.
Muted lemon.
We call it Buddha's hand.
Buddha's head.
Yes, that's right. Buddha's hand. Buddha.
Hand.
Buddha's hand.
We use this one for offering. the young people. Yeah, that's right. Yes, because if you see and buy the chicken for one person, she it was we buy the chicken here. So Jamie, right? For you. And here, I will show you this one because all of them here, they are fresh. That's mean we just eat it in one day.
Wow.
And if we let it on the next day,
Rice noodles made one day.
because it will be sour for the next day. Yes.
Ah,
Then today we'll buy this one. This one
Kailangan na
here.
siyang kainin.
Smaller and rounder, right? Then we have this one over there. It will be thinner, flatter.
So aside from mga good to know about food and nagbibigay din siya ng info about sa culture nila, yung temples and offering. So,
Mga pagsusunog ng offering.
yes. So may natutunan kami ni Makoy na yung mga offering nila sa dead, parang normal din sa tao. Ay, parang hinahantulad sa normal na tao. Like, kunyari, gusto mong magsunog ng cellphone, meron silang parang paper cellphone
Eh,
na naniniwala sila lahat ng sinusunog nila
magagamit ng mga namatay sa
ibang world.
spirit world.
Yes. So ayan, papunta na tayo ata sa bus ulit.
Kainin yung
Welcome kami sa kitchen.
Hi, ciao. Vietnamese na.
Vietnamese mint. Yes. This is my favorite one. Yes. Here we have limes. Yes, limes and but it's quite small. And we just cut the top to put like this one, and we squeeze in the sandal. Yes. And you can squeeze half. This one is okay, not too much. Half of the bone is okay. Yes. Then for the Vietnamese mint, everyone you all eat beans, right? Yeah. Got it. But this one here we cut them like this, not too big, not too small. Yes. Because the same with the second one. Bun is quite sharp, so be careful when we use this one. Yes. Some people they call finger killers because you may easily cut your fingers. Yeah, so be careful. But it's okay because I have managed already for you. Later, I think you cut the meat. Yes, meat. We put them here. That's fine. This is the Maybe the sister we don't use that one. More, yeah. This one we have chili, meat, yes. Here, mangoes, yes. Bean sprouts, cucumber, and carrots, yes. So you see that first of all, I need to help put the carrot, cucumber, bean sprouts, mint here, yes. A quarter in each bowl. Yes. Here for you.
In each
A
bowl.
quarter in each bowl.
sugar.
And I need two tea. Yes. And beans pork tea.
Okay.
Yes. And we have two bowls here. One chicken tea and two pork tea. Yes. So first of all we have the onion. Then shallot. We have beans, chicken, and minced pork.
Eggs.
And do you remember what it is here?
Singkamich.
In English, jicama. That's why. In English, yes. Jicama. Jicama. Yes. And for this one, it's from Mexico. Yes. But in some countries, like in the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, or China, we can grow that because of the tropical weather. Yes. And some people like said, okay, if wrong with this one, or we can make string rolls or make salad. Yes. And can you try this one here? It is slightly sweet, like pear or apple. You can put this one or third in each bowl of this one. You can check it. Yes.
6 spoons.
Because there are lots of meat here.
That's a lot.
Yes. Big.
4, 5.
Thank you. Two oil. Yes.
Nox. Gawa ka lumpia.
It will be like this one. It's open. Yes. Not too much. Yes. And we put them on the bottom of the corner. This one. And we start to wrap the rolls. We wrap it tight 3 times first. We will shape it again like a sausage first. Yes. We shape it again. And we start to wrap the rolls. 1. Yes. 2. 3. Yes. We press the 2 sides here to shape the rolls again. We push it in. Yes, to shape the rolls again. And we fold the 2 sides. Yes, like this. And
Yeah.
also keep wrapping till the end. We wrap it tight. Yes, to the end. Wrap it tight. Dun, dun, dun. Like this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, everyone, thank you. Yes. If you don't wrap it tight enough, it will be so oily when we fry them.
Yeah, yeah.
Are they both like your nails? It's so cute. Oh, it's very much black.
Yeah.
I see you made in Vietnam.
Yes.
It's a cute nail. Bubble tea. Yeah, the nice one.
Coffee.
Alien. It's about alien.
Yeah. My God.
More egg for fish, ja.
Can I ask you, what's your favorite Vietnamese dish?
Yeah. The name is,
No, I don't know.
I have to check the picture I made of. It's,
What's it made of?
yeah, there are glass noodles. Beef. And it's like a soup, but it's not a soup. I will show you. I've made
Okay,
a
okay,
picture.
okay.
And I like the spring rolls very much.
Really?
Yeah. And what about you? Did you try something?
It's our second time here in
Yeah.
Vietnam.
Second time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We went here last year.
And have you also visited Hanoi? Or?
Hanoi as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And
So
you
my
tried-
favorite is pho.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's also nice.
It's
True.
really nice.
It's true.
Okay. And we'll take this one. We put the meat here. Yeah. She put the meat on the sink. Yes. Okay, I will show you again. So, for example, to hold this, to do it as a 60, 80 match, much easier. Like this one. Yes. Because it's the meat here. Here.
Chả có được là lúc này được luôn này.
Oh.
Yeah.
Everyone drink alcohol. Okay, got it. And can you pass it down for everyone? Because I have been here first.
Yeah.
Say Zo.
Zo.
Z-O. Zo.
Zo.
Yes, and we say 1, 2, 3, cheers. 1, 2, 3, Zo.
Mo Thai Ha Zo.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. It's okay because I know it's very hard for you, but I will say first and everyone say later. Yes, and I will say first, we say louder. We say 1, 2, 3, Zo.
Mo Thai Ha Zo.
You say, yeah, so loudly. Yes. Yes. Zo. Yes.
Zo. 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 Zo.
Zo.
Zo.
Yes.
Zo. Happy water.
Yeah, make us happy. Yeah, happy water for grown-ups. 30% of the alcohol. And we will wrap it tight. And we will dip in the dipping sauce here. And we eat them. This is the way we eat with the spring rolls. And it will be less oily for you.
Okay.
So everyone, enjoy your meal. And
Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Thank
Yes.
you. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Ay, no.
Big laban yun.
So ayun, we're done with the cooking class for today. I would say that it was a good experience din dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam.
So, ang daming niluto, tapos yung mga niluto mo, yun din yung kakainin mo. So, we definitely recommend yung tour. You can book it via Klook and use our code TOFBANAAGLOOK para may discount kayo up to 5%.
Tapos, link down below ng activity kung gusto nyo ding i-book yung Vietnamese cooking class specifically for the Rose Kitchen.
Yeah.
Ayun lang. So, babalik muna kami ng hotel to freshen up and we're off to another location.
Ngayon, nandito tayo sa St. Joseph Cathedral. So,
Ayan.
ganito yung tsura niya sa umaga.
Okay. Ang dami lang tao ngayon eh. Ayun, so see you later! Hi mga biik! So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Miniso, dito sa may malapit sa One Kiem Lake. Ayan. So naghahanap kami ng anything ng mga baboy, ganyan. So check natin kung meron dito. Ang cute ng mga tumblers nila ranging from 199k to 299k. Ayan, so mga 500 pesos. Pero hindi mo sure kung ano. Gigi the Pig. Ito din sa atin eh, si Gigi the Pig. Ito naman. Ang laki biik eh.
Ito siya.
Hindi siya lahat baboy, biik. Ay, baboy nga lahat. Ang cute. Ito oh. So, magkano to? Tsaka. Ito, 289.
400. 500.
500 pesos. So, itong ito, yung mga laman niya is parang ganito. Ang cute. Ano to? Bakit ganito?
Ano to, Tito?
Nice. Sige, bye. Gusto mo na to? Ang cute. Ang cute. Ito yung mga pwede niyong makuha. May cream, may Sanwa Haiyan, Big Orange, Lucky, and Siamese.
Go, ikaw naman pipili.
Ano bang minamanifest nating color dito? Ako,
Yung blue, maganda.
ganda nung blue. Or
Saka yung green.
itong tatlo gusto ko. Actually ito, ayoko yung green sa kape. Okay, bilhin na natin.
Binili mo.
Ano ba ba? Gigi Bond.
Gigi Bond.
The pig. Konnichiwa! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Hajime Kogi. Yung Hajime, if I'm not mistaken, is for the first time.
Anime Master.
Ayun. So, first time mag-Kogi.
Yes.
So, eto, I ordered matcha latte for 65,000 to.
Yung sa akin naman, 70,000 to. OG siya caramel.
Sarap niya.
Perfect to. Sarap.
Totoong matcha, in fairness. So, ang ganap namin is, nandito kami sa sidewalk, as in.
People watch.
Ayan. Ito, main road yan main road. Tapos nandun yung St. Joseph Cathedral.
People watching.
So, ganito lang
traffic
kami.
watching.
Tingin-tingin lang kami dito ng mga otaw. Ayan, so, ito na yung nabili natin sa Miniso, which is si Gigi Bond.
Gigi Bund.
Ayan, ito yung baboy na plushie. So, check na natin kung ano ang ating napili. Di ba wala tong to... Hindi ko na lang sa titik. Magbutig! Ay, meron.
Meron siyang plastic.
Meron. Ayan. So, naka-plastic siya ngayon. Ay, ang cute! Huwag mong titigan. Ano ba itong logo?
Gigi yun, oh.
Ala, ano ba yan?
Pikit-pikit
Ang
pa
naman. Ala! White na naman.
Pink.
Ala! Hindi ito yung gusto ko. Ano ba
Huwag
yan?
mo kasi sasabihin na hindi mo gusto. Yun yung lumalabas.
White and pink na naman. Kamukha niya yung isa.
Ang cute nga eh.
Iba mo niya. Ayun. So anyways, papunta kami ngayon ng Lotte Westlake Mall. One of the biggest and newest
Mall in
here
Hanoi.
in Hanoi. So check natin kung ano meron doon. And time check, it's 6:30.
Yes.
30 minutes daw yung...
Papunta doon.
30 minutes.
From here. So, nandito pa rin kami sa may old quarter. So, ayan na. Punta na kami sa Grab. See you later!
Ayun, so kung nandito kayo sa Hanoi and tinatamad kayong maglakad, so marami ditong booking ride app like Grab, tapos meron din sila nung ano ba yan? Green GSM cars. Ayun, so surprisingly, sobrang mura lang din at affordable mag-Grab dito.
Yeah.
So, sa pinanggalingan namin, parang around 5 kilometers papunta ng Lotte Mall. Around 100k VND lang.
Parang 200 pesos.
Parang 200 pesos. So, update namin kayo kung ano pang pwedeng makita doon.
Later.
Yes. And di pa kami nagdi-dinner. So,
Kaya, energy level check.
35%. So, nandito na tayo sa Lotte Mall,
Lake.
Westlake, Hanoi. So, parang mga ano lang siya. Less than 30-minute ride. Medyo traffic lang kasi 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Ang bango. Hala, ang laki ng mall. Alam mo, ka-vibe niya yung mall sa Bangkok. Ano nga ba yun?
Icon.
Icon Siam.
Liwanag. Pero ba't may amoy...
Meron ako naaamoy na may kele-kele.
Amoy Jotoxtra.
Nood na lang kaya tayo ng movie. Kaso baka makatulog. Ganda, piit! So nananampal na naman ng kahirapan dito, no? Chanel, Sisley,
It's Chanel.
Jo Malone. So pasok tayo sa Zara. Meron kaming gustong maamoy ng mga perfume dito sa Zara.
Kaya, Zara na.
Kung meron dito, meron silang mga German perfume like ito. Cocoa and Latte. Naamoy mo na to? Cocoa and Latte. Bang, ang ganda ng packaging nila, guys. Pati yung ganito, oh. Salty ocean.
Red vanilla.
Uy,
Oo. Ano yan?
Salty ocean. Ang bango din. So, yung ganito nila is 1,399 daw. So, around 2,500. Same lang price sa Pinas.
Tigtutuloy.
Ang laki ng Zara nila dito, guys. As in. No? So, sa mga Uniqlo babies,
Meron dito.
they have Uniqlo here na sobrang laki din. And, dahil may winter ang Vietnam, meron na silang puffer jackets.
699. Mga 1.2, no?
700, 1.4.
1.4.
Kita natin sa kanila kung anong mga pwedeng bilhin dito. Let's say, for
400.
example, this one, 399,
400.
800 pesos. Ito yung puffer jacket nila, guys. So, 1499 VND. Around 3,000 pesos. Di ba yung mga mall yung sa SM, yung mga barricade natin mabababa hanggang dito. Ito, oh, dapat maka-keep up na yung SM. Shout out kay Henry C. Tingnan nyo po, hanggang leeg ko. So, hindi ako basta-basta makakatalon. Hi, baby! My baby is here! Charis. So, ayan, nandito na kami sa second floor. And ang meron dito sa second floor is may Lush, may Innisfree, may Domino's Pizza. Napaka-random naman. Oh. Tapos, may Flying Tiger. Sorry, nasa ATC lang tayo. And then, ito, ang eksena niya parang yung bagong Glorieta. Di ba, Biik?
Bagong Mega Mall.
Hindi yung, bagong Mega Mall din. Shout out to Crowny. This is her favorite store.
Calvin Klein.
So, meron sila ditong Pull and Bear na Netflix Stranger Things theme. Ayan o. Sa mga fans ng Stranger Things. No? Cute. Hindi ako nanonood kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung story.
Hindi ka makarelate.
So, we have New Balance here, Converse. Ito naman, di magtigil sa Marugame.
Mapakami kasi nakalagay.
Ay, oo nga, marupang. So, mag-check kami ng sapatos dito sa Foot Locker. Mag-check lang. Tingin-tingin lang.
Check mo lang.
Tingin-tingin lang. Tingnan natin yung prices. So, feeling namin, mahal dito. Feeling lang namin. Kasi nasa mall.
Oh, gago. Pay 1.
Ha?
6,000.
6,000.
Ang ganda.
Hmm.
Ilang yung kulay.
So, meron silang
Thousand Kiev.
So ayan, real talk lang to Maganda yung mall, as in sobrang high-end yung mga nandito. Ang gaganda ng shops, kaso may mga parts siya na amoy
Detox.
kili-kili talaga. Hindi ko alam. Bakit
yung food,
ganun?
May food kasi dun sa taas. Baka may ano.
Bakit sa baba meron din?
Yeah, malay ko. Baka
Oo.
yung sa nila aircon.
Ayun. So, yun lang. Hello ka.
Lock and lock.
So, papunta na kami ng third floor and I think marami na ditong kainan. So, dito sa taas, puro mga international resto. So,
Doon
Korean.
nga yung pila.
Ng Duki.
Oo.
Oh my God. So, ayun, yung third floor, puro siya Japanese, Thailand,
And we
Taiwanese food.
Hindi.
So, dahil minsan lang tayo sa Vietnam, magja-Japanese food kami. Tingnan natin, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-top floor. Kung ano meron dito.
Ito na tayong cinema.
Tingnan natin kung magkano ang sine sa kanila. Aray ko. So, dito sa top floor yung Lotte Cinema. Ano meron? Ang bango nung ano nila, popcorn.
Appetizing yung popcorn.
Papatizing yung popcorn. Tingnan natin kung how much.
Red siguro.
So, yung sine dito is around 400 pesos. Yan, may ano sila. Oh, grabe pa naman yung mga Vietnamese horror film, di ba? No?
Yung ano, hindi tayo nakapasok.
Oo nga. So, may Sky Park daw dito. Check natin.
Ba yung gusto natin ay kainan.
So, ito daw yung Sky Park. Atake siya. Ganda ng mga mall nila talaga, no? May playground yung mga bata at ang bango, nakakagutom na. So, ito yung view from the top. May Ferris wheel din dun, oh. Saan? Ayun dun. Ah, okay.
Parking.
Oo.
너는 요즘 어때? 하루 중에 가장 생각나는 사람이 누구야? 일을 하다가도 길을 걷다가도 이유 없이 떠올려보네. 나는 많이 생각해봤는데 아무래도 벌써 빠져버렸나봐. 꿈에서까지도 원하는 걸 보면 장난 같은 건 아닌가 봐. 좋아하면 원래 다 이렇다던데 너의 한마디 한순간이 소중해서 아껴두고 싶고 나만 보고 싶어서 쓸데없는 질투만 늘어. 좋아하면 원래 다 이렇다던데 괜히 한숨만 나왔다 또 네 생각에 웃다가 울다가 혼자 지쳐가도 눈 뜨면 보고 싶은 이유.
So, if you are planning to visit Hanoi and gusto nyo magpunta sa mall na maraming kainan, tapos maraming luxury shopping, go here sa Lotte Mall, West Lake. So, thank you so much for watching our vlog, mga binik.
Don't forget to like,
Share
subscribe
to the Biik Adventures. Bye!